What's going on, card family? Matt in Virginia, Passion for Cards, coming at you with a hit recap. Recently opened, I think it was 5 or 6 hobby boxes of 2018 Topps Heritage High Number. You can see in the background I got some 2018 Topps Heritage Minor League. I've not opened them yet, so hope to do that soon, but I do have a recap of what I got in the Topps Heritage High Number. Of course, I did get a full set, 501 through 725, so I got that finished up. I got 3 of these panel cards. I'll just show you the one, and really just because it has the Gleyber Torres on it, so I thought that was cool. Otherwise, not a huge fan of these top loader cards, but whatever. Alright, so first subset I'll get into is the award winners. Got the Altuve, Stanton, still in a Miami uniform, Kluber, Scherzer, Judge, Bellinger, Renner. So I've got this whole subset, 10 cards. Second one there of Altuve, but it is a different one. And the second one of Stanton. So I got the whole award winner subset. Got the then and now subset. I didn't get them all, but I got most of them. Trifecta of home runs. Machado, Joe Panic, Garrett Cole, James Paxton, Mookie, Christian Villanueva with the rookie card logo, Patrick Corbin, Cespedes, got a nice Ohtani, California dealing, Harper, broken bat, Acuna, and Didi. Again, just missing a couple of those cards to complete that subset. On to the rookie performers. Got Rosario, these are nice cards. I like the Chance Cisco, Villanueva, Jordan Hicks, Joey Lucchesi for the Padres. A couple of good ones here back to back. Got Andujar, Acuna. That's a Rafael Devers, Reese, followed by Kingery, followed by Ohtani, and last but not least, Walker Buehler. Deckle Edge, just some of these are nice cards too, I like these. Got Ohtani, Verlander, Josh Donaldson, Noah, Joe Mauer. Some of these autographs almost look legit. Javier Baez, Stephen Piscotty, Scott Kingery, Christian Yelich, Adrian Beltre, Matt Chapman, Trey Mancini, and Dansby Swanson. All right. I got a whole slew of these. I had one hot box. So I've got a bunch of these purple chromes. I got the Kingery. Just show you some of the notables. I did get a Gleyber Torres. That was nice. Tyler O'Neill. Nice Dylan Cousins. For the Phillies PC. Garrett Cole, Frazier, Granish, and Christian Yelich. That was it. The rest of them are pretty much common players. And some of these combo cards, Stanton and Judge. Altuve and Springer. Nice one for the Phillies fans, Hoskins and Herrera. Davis and Jones. Freeman and Acuna. That's a good one too. Soto and Harper. And Mookie and Devers. Got some of these Miracle of 69 Met inserts. Got the Al Weiss. Cleon Jones. Nolan. Ronnie Swoboda. And Tom Seaver. So I think that was a full set of those. I'm missing one. There's a 5-card Reggie Jackson highlight inserts. I got 4 of the 5. 71. 78. And 84. So I'm missing one of those. I did open a couple of packs of retail. I got a couple of these yellow. I think they're from Target. Got a Buster Posey, a Correa, Kershaw. Pulled a lot of different variations of Torres. Gleyber Torres, Miguel Sano, and Ozzie Albies. So it did good on the yellows. Got 2 buyback originals. Got a 69 Jim Nash. And a 69 Joe Horland. Alright, some of the more rare stuff. Got one of these black borders, not chrome. Number to 50 of Eduardo Nunez. Got some of these chromes to $9.99, Steven Souza. Corey Dickerson. Matt Moore. JD. Anthony Banda rookie. And a Jake Arrieta. Those are all numbered to $9.99. These are numbered to $5.69. Chrome refractors. Got the Matt Adams. And the Jordan Hicks rookie. And then I got one of the black borders numbered to 69. Joey Lucchesi, a rookie card. 45 of 69. Got one mini, Stephen Piscotty. That's numbered to 100. I got one 100th anniversary gold foil. They're not numbered, but they are limited to 25 of Trevor Williams. I did get one autograph, Jackson Stevens, on card. And I got some variations. I got a Brandon Moreau color variation, Cubs color in white. We got a Christian Yelich action variation. Todd Frazier action variation. These are about one per box. Ichiro. Stephen Piscotty. Jordan Hicks. And the best of the bunch. Again, another Torres. So I had a good run of Torreses in all those boxes. And then finally, finished with the relics. Pulled a Benintendi. Rosario with the pinstripe. Buster. Ender Enciarte. Pinstripe Zach Davies. And I did pull one number to 99, Yasiel Puig, gold border. So there you have it. That's my 6-box recap of Topps Heritage High Number. More videos on the way. Stay classy.